We're now in Chapter 1, Task 2, Rounding. Steps for rounding. The first step, find the place that you are rounding to. Secondly, look at the digit to its right. If it's 5 or more, you'll add one number to the number being rounded or rounding up. If it's 5 or less, if it's less than 5, then you'll leave the number the same, or what we call rounding down. Number 3 is to change all of the digits to the right of the place that you are rounding to zeros. Let's take a look at some examples. Example 1. We have the number 9,346. We're going to round to the nearest hundredths place. So what's underlined is the hundredths place. You look at the number to the right, which is the 4. The 4 lets us know if we should round up or down. Because the 4 is less than 5, then we will leave that number the same. Therefore, the number turns into 9,300. Notice how the numbers to the right of the value of the place value that you rounded have been turned to zeros. Let's look at the second example where we round to the nearest 10. So what's underlined is the tens place. And we look at the number to the right. 6 is higher than 5, greater than 5, so we round up. So that 4 will turn into a 5 and 6 will become 0. So now the new number is 9,350. You will try the following examples. So starting with A, I'll do A and you finish B, C, and D. A says we have 365 round to the nearest hundred. I would look and find the hundredths place, which is the 3. Look to the right, which has a 6. 6 is greater than 5. So you should round up. So that 3 turns into a 4. So 365 to the nearest hundred turns into 400. You can complete B, C, and D and then check with your teacher. Let's scroll down. The homework here, and there's online practice, so make sure you look at page 6 through 7 and complete exercise C, D, and E. If we scroll down, there's an extension, which is really the same thing, but we're rounding decimals instead of whole numbers. So we're going to find the place that you are rounding to. If the digit is 5 or more, then we'll round up. If it's less than 5, we'll round down. And then all digits to the right of the place value that you are rounding will turn into zeros. So let's look at example 1. We have 3.247. Here we're rounding to the hundredths place. So notice that that is a decimal. So the 4 is in the hundredths place with the THS. We need to look to the right of that value, which we see a 7. 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, we round that 4 up to 5, and the 7 becomes a 0. So this new decimal is 3.250, or you can just say 3.25. You do not need to list the 0. You will try numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then check in with your teacher. Below, you have your homework, page 97 through 98, and these are the problems that you complete. So exercise D 1 through 6, exercise E 1 through 5, and exercise F 1 through 5, and lastly exercise H 1 through 5. There is an additional video as well as a game that you can refer to for extra practice and or extra help. This is the completion of Chapter 1, Task 2, Rounding.